Hi everyone, Andrew here with American Beauty Star. And today our tutorial is focused on dewy skin. As you saw in our last tutorial, we had a red carpet sleek look, so now this is gonna complete it. So let's get started. The products that you need to achieve this look are the following: a creamy emollient product that has a rose gold finish, a setting powder that has an iridescent to it, and also a setting spray to lock everything and make sure that it's ready for the red carpet. So let's get started. The first thing you're gonna do is pick up your emollient product and warm it up on the back of your hand. It's really important to have that temperature in your hand to kind of melt the product onto the face. We want to focus on above the cheekbone, and I'm literally just using my finger. Basically any areas that the sun or the light would catch. Get your iridescent powders, just lightly tap above the rose gold. This is going to help set it. So using a translucent powder, focus underneath her eye area to eliminate the shine in the center of the face. So we basically only want the highlights around the perimeter of her bone structure. We're going to take our contours and focus under the cheekbone. And an easy way to determine where that is, for those of you doing this for the first time, is to take your brush, measure the middle of your ear, and then point it directly to the corner of your mouth. Utilizing your lip brush, go ahead and apply your nude lip gloss onto the entirety of the mouth. The last step, we're going to take our spring purified water, close your eyes, take a deep breath in, let it out, and this really locks in all the hydration. There you have it, our red carpet complete look. And don't forget to watch American Beauty Star on Lifetime.